Okay, let's go over DNA viruses. This is the gamma Herpeviridae. Let's write that down. DNA gamma and with this, so right here you've got the linear DNA, and that's exactly what it is. Strands of DNA linked covalently at or near the termini. The virons encoded in a two-stage process, and we'll go over that. It's an enveloped linear double-stranded DNA. So pox the box. This is the box. It's got brick-shaped virons, so it's a brick box. Replication takes place in the cytoplasmic factories, and this is visible as acidophilic Guarneri's bodies. So you got the Guarneri bodies here, and aggregates of mature virons accumulate as eosinophilic inclusions. So the Guarneri bodies, it's the largest and most complex virus known, and it's the same thing called smallpox, which we'll get to. So this replication happens by, you've got the entering into the cell, and the early genes are transcribed, and the late genes and virons are assembled, and then they're released through the cellular villi. You've got a few different kinds. You've got and this is a lot about classification. You got the orthopoxvirus, so you got the orthopedic here in the box. So, and right here you got smallpox. That is an orthopoxvirus. You've got the major and the minor type, but the thing is, this is a strictly human virus and only one serotype. So pretty much in 1980, the World Health Organization declared smallpox eradicated. But you never know what might show up. They're kind of worried it might show back up again, but the point is, it's got the smallpox. There's a vaccine. It has been transmitted through respiratory droplets, so there's droplets there. So there's vaccination for that, and the complications were encephalitis. You also have in this orthopoxvirus cowpox, buffalo pox, and monkeypox. Okay, cowpox is localized ulcerating lesions in the hand and also sometimes from the eye, from your own touching of your eye, autoinoculation. Buffalo pox is localized pustular lesions on the hand, and monkeypox are generalized eruptions similar to smallpox, but it's very rare. But those are all part of the orthopoxes. So you got the monkey here, and the cow, and the buffalo, and you've got smallpox here. And we'll come over here. You got the parapoxvirus, and there's something called milker's nodule and orf. Okay, that's what it's called. You got the dog saying orf, orf, and the milk. But milker's nodule is it's a red papule that develops 5 to 7 days after contact with a lesion on the udder of an infected cow. That's why it's a milker's nodule. Virus does not protect you against smallpox, so it's not the same. Orf is a contagious pustular dermatitis, and it's transmitted from infected sheep or goats. So kind of keep that in mind if there's somebody with a question that they raise goats or something. Here we go. Molluscopox virus. So there's mollusks in the eyes, but this is a molluscopox virus. Sorry, you've got there's molluscum contagiosum. That is a so I just put contagiosum down there. It's a low-grade infection that's seen in dermatology type questions. No mortality. It's just pearly papules found anywhere in the body except the palms of the hands and the feet. It's kind of umbilicated, so, and curly papules. It's associated also with the final stages of AIDS, so it's self-limiting, but keep that in mind. The Herpeviridae virus has two types. You got the Herpeviridae virus and the Tanapox virus. Yaba is transmitted by people that handle monkeys. Okay, characterized by development of histiocytoma, and the Tanapox virus is disseminated by arthropods. It's a single umbilicated papule forms at the site of the bite. Not that you run into all this stuff, but you never know. So thing is about this I didn't get into is this whole replication is actually can be stopped by rifampicin. It's the only virus that is sensitive to an antibacterial agent. So you've got these gamma Herpeviridae, and you can give them rifampicin, and it'll stop the whole translation virus, except for smallpox, but that's not what we're talking about. But it's all these other pox viruses.